Model kits based on anime and manga are nothing new, especially when it comes to the big names. For example, you've got things like everyone's favourite robotic cat Doraemon, or everyone's favourite screaming anime Dragon Ball Z. Even now you still get stuff for big new animes like My Hero Academia. But probably one of the biggest animes that's come out in recent time is Kimetsu no Yaiba, or Demon Slayer. This shonen series has taken the world by storm, so it's no surprise that one of the products that came out for it is a model kit. And it just so happened that the place where I get all my model kits from happened to have a Tanjiro in stock. While this isn't an entry grade model kit like the previous ones I've shown, this one still is just in a standard pose. That's not to say though that this one is any more complicated than the rest. There's quite a few more pieces than the entry grade kits, but this is due to it being far more detailed. There's also a few special things going on here. The eyes, for example, are injected with 3 different colours, so not only do you get the white of the eyes, but you also get the coloured irises as well. This looks much better than any sticker or transfer could ever hope to. This actually applies to Tanjiro's scar on his head as well, because this is actually injected in a different colour instead. Hopefully this is something that goes into other kits in the future, because I really do hate applying any form of sticker or transfer. After a few fiddly bits with his hair and trying to attach the stickers for his earrings, the head actually looks really good and the expression is spot on. Due to the pose, the body actually has a lot going on as well. While the main torso is super simple, there's a load of stickers that need to be applied to it. Thankfully, the main kanji on the back is just one piece, so you don't have to worry about trying to line it all up. The stickers for the collar on the other hand are a bit of a pain, but that goes for anything that needs to go around a corner. But with them in place, next comes probably my favourite part of this whole kit, his cape. Each one of these pieces is already pre-painted with his green and black checkerboard pattern. As you slowly start putting them all together, you can really see the dynamic pose of the cape coming through. There's also some other really clever things they do, like with the arms. Even though you only see a tiny fraction of the arm sticking out from under the cape, it really gives off that definition that it is actually under there. The legs, much like the entry grade ones, are just two massive bits of plastic. And after attaching a sticker to a belt, that can also be added to them as well. Next, however, was probably my least favourite part of the kit. Putting them and the feet together wasn't any issue whatsoever. However, there are 6 individual tiny little silver stickers that need to go on each leg. As I've said before, my shocking eyesight and shaky hands means that this took almost as much time as just building the whole entire kit. But once they're on there and the red sandal straps are on as well, it does do the job. After that, it's just a case of putting a few final touches together. The sword scabbard is just 2 pieces sandwiched together with a silver end and top put on. With that done, you can attach it to the rest of the belt and then start piecing it all together. With 95% of the body all done, it's then on to the final piece, the sword. This is made with an almost clear black plastic and looks really cool. It can be a little awkward getting it into his hands because you have to do it in the right order, but as long as you follow the instructions, it'll all work out fine. I say that, but I completely forgot to apply the stickers to it, so once I put it in there, I actually had to take it apart again just to apply them. But that said, once built, it looks absolutely stunning. Much like the entry grade kits, for the price you're paying, this looks really good. The figure itself isn't as stable as some others, mainly because the feet can't be moved around, but it does also mean that you can get it set up correctly wherever you're going to place it. But the pose itself is what's really striking to me. The way the cape is deforming in the air really makes you feel like Tanjiro is charging up an attack. The details in the face are also incredible. I really enjoyed putting this one together. Again, it was another fun build, and apart from a few issues that were my own mistakes, it wasn't hard at all. And because it's not a technical build, I'd highly recommend this for anyone who's a fan of Demon Slayer or wants to get into model kits, though due to the popularity of Demon Slayer, you might want to try and pick this one up before it becomes unavailable. And as with every single model kit that I buy, I now have to figure out where I can put it in my house. Anyways, I've been Tom from VictorPros Gaming, thanks for watching and have a great gaming day.